Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a distance sensor with your Arduino to record how far away objects are. Very simple. You're going to need a distance sensor, an Arduino board, a couple wires, and a breadboard to make everything easy. Next comes the assembly. The distance sensor has 4 pins: ground, echo, trigger, and VCC. Ground goes to ground, echo and trigger are specified in the code, and VCC goes to 5 volts. Once you've plugged in all the correct pieces, your Arduino is connected to the computer. Just go ahead and copy this code. I'll leave it in the description. Let me walk you through this real quick. First of all, you have to label the trigger pin and the echo pin. Go off with the setup of the program will be to make sure the Arduino is writing to the serial port. And then you want your trigger pin to be the output and your echo pin to be an input. Now we initialize 3 variables: duration, inches, and centimeter. And then to read the distance sensor, basically first you want to make sure the trigger pin is not triggered for 2 microseconds, and then you want to trigger it high for 10 microseconds and then turn it off. And basically what that does is it gets a reading. Then you want to set the echo pin high, and that'll give you a raw input. Now that'll give you the amount of time it takes for the distance sensor to bounce off send a signal, bounce off the object, and come back. So we need to turn that into regular distances that we can understand. So that's right here. For inches, you take that time, you divide it by 74. It's about how many microseconds per inch. And then you divide it by 2 because it has to go there and back. And we only care about how long it takes to go there. Centimeters, very similar, just 29 microseconds per centimeter. And then I have a simple print statement right here. It's going to print the value in inches with a little tag, and then the value in centimeters with a little tag. And then we're going to have another delay of 100 microseconds. So let's try it out. Now let's get started. First, you want to upload this to your Arduino. And if that doesn't work, make sure that your port is the correct port. And then once you're ready to get started, you should see your Arduino blinking, which means that it's writing to the serial. You click the serial port up here to get started. And you're going to get something like this, where it's going to write the inches and then the centimeters.